Let us move for a small recap with the given example. Now we are here having that px upon qx after solving. It was a question. Now after solving we get these as the linear factors. Okay. Now equating the factors with 0, we get x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Okay, just arranging in the ascending order, we are having x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Now what are these? These are what? These are the critical points. What I told you, these are the critical points. Now let's plot it on the number line. Now plotting on number line. Now here we are having a number line. We have to plot minus 1, 1, 2 and 3. Now we are having minus 1, 1, 2 and 3. Now one thing, the expression, given expression is what? It is negative or positive? Now given expression is negative. If it is negative or positive, then what to do? If it is less than is equal to or more than is equal to, then what we have to do? You are already aware of it. So if it is negative or positive, then we have to make a hollow point on it. Okay, so we are having now this one. We can't draw it as a bold circles. Okay. Now given expression is negative, first thing we have done that thing. Number 2, start putting positive sign in extreme right. Let's put it. We are having here positive, negative of infinity. We have positive, then this negative, this positive, this negative, this positive. Okay, finish. Now what will be the solution set? About the solution set. Now for the solution set, let me write here for the solution set, since the expression is negative. Now which expression? Given expression px upon qx. We can write it here. Px upon qx is less than 0. So the solution set of the given expression, and the expression is what? In equation. Is the union of region containing negative sign. Very good thing, very nice thing. So what is giving the negative region? What it is? This one, this region and this region having the negative sign. So we can write it x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 with union 2 comma 3. Okay, so be careful what I have written here and how you are going to tackle these things. Okay, now solution set we are having px upon qx is less than 0. Now here x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 union 2 comma 3. Now this was one thing. Second thing, now can you guess how we get this side positive, how we get this side negative, how we get in between these negatives, what these are? I just gave you a hint that always start from here with the positive sign, okay, and you will be getting always the right answer. But how it comes, this is, dear guys, this is a mathematics, okay, not an any history type of a thing. So we should be getting some basic results, some perfect results for all these things. Now what is px? We are having now, let us investigate. Investigation. Let's do it. Let's check it. This region is for less than minus 1. Okay, because expression is for less than 0. Now according to the number line, this is less than minus 1. So now let x is equal to minus 2. Okay, now put minus 2 here. What you are getting? Minus 2 minus 1. Px upon qx is equal to negative minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3, minus 2 plus 1, again negative, upon minus 2 negative, minus 2 minus 3 negative. So darling babies, what the result is? Positive. So that's why here it is positive. Now when, if you are taking any value in between minus 1 and 1, the result will be positive. If you are taking any value in between 2 and 3, again negative. More than 3, positive. So this is the basic thing how we are getting exact answers for the number line.